Hello students, my name is Professor Supriya Kulkarni from KK Senior College Chandori. Today we are going to study basic concepts of files and file organization. Firstly, we will see what is file. A file is a named collection of related information. In general, a file is a sequence of bits, bytes, lines or records whose meaning is defined by the file's creator and the user. A manual file stores all the information related to a particular activity. For example, inventory activity in inventory file and payroll activity in payroll file. Now we will discuss about record. What is record? The basic unit of information for a computer and manual file is a record. The collection of data items is called as record. It's called as field. For example, student name, address, phone number, etc. are known as fields of student record. Some basic operation such as create, open, locate, read, write, close, etc. on the records available in the file to modify or access the file. A file is defined as a collection of related sequence of records. There are two common ways of viewing files. Now we will discuss two ways for viewing files. First way is logical file and second way is physical file. Firstly, we will discuss about logical file. A logical file is a file viewed in terms of what data items its record contain and what processing operations may be performed on the file. Next, physical file. A physical file viewed in terms of how the data is stored on storage device and how the processing operation are made possible. Now we will discuss about file organization. A file organization is a method of arranging the records in the file. The file is stored on secondary storage device called hard disk. The physical arrangements of a data in file into records on the disk is known as file organization. A file can accessed or modified in different ways or methods such as sequential access, direct or random access, index sequential access and so on. Some common file organization methods or techniques are explained in next slide. There are four file organization methods. First is heap file organization, second is stored file organization, third is indexed file organization and fourth is hash file organization. Firstly, we will see first method, heap file organization. It is the simplest type of file organization. A heap file is an unordered set of records. A heap file is also called as pile or serial file or unsorted file. A heap file has no particular order. The advantages of heap file is this is a simple and easy file organization method. Insertion of new record is fast and efficient. Disadvantages of heap file organization are deletion of many records result is in wastage of space. Searching and accessing of record is very slow. Now we will discuss second file organization, sorted file organization. We can physically order the records of a file on a disk based on the values of either fields called as ordering fields. This leads to an order or sequential file. A sequential file maintains the records in the logical sequence. The records are stored in order of values of the key fields. In sorted file, first the record is inserted at the end of the file and then moved to its correct location. Now we will discuss advantages and disadvantages of sorted file organization. Advantage is the sequential file can be created on any device with ease and simple. the average processing speed of file organization is high. Disadvantages are the entire file must be processed to read only one record. Next, in this file system, the data redundancy is usually high. In this file organization, linking of the records of two fields is not possible. Now, we will discuss about index file organization. In index file organization, determining the storage location is a separate operation from accessing the record. In index file organization, the rows are sorted either sequentially or non-sequentially. A sequential file that is indexed is called as index sequential file. A sequential file have advantages and disadvantages. First advantage is in this file organization there is no need to sort the transaction before updating. In index file organization, it is possible to link the records of two files. Disadvantages of index file organization: additional space is to be provided for indexes. This file organization requires more space than sequential file. Files in this organization must be stored on direct access storage device, hence it is expensive. Now, we will discuss about hash file organization. A random file is also called as hash file, direct file or relative file. Has records that are stored and retrieved according to either their disk address or their relative position within the file. This means that the program which store and retrieves the records has first to specify the address of record in the file. There are two types of hashing. First is internal hashing and second is external hashing. Now we will discuss about internal hashing. Internal hashing is typically implemented through the use of array of records, and external hashing for disk files and the address space of disk is divided into buckets, each of which hold the multiple records. Now we will discuss about advantages of disadvantages of hash file organization. First advantage is the records can be accessed directly in the file organization. The file accessing and updating becomes very easy, simple and fast. Second, random file organization suitable for access of online applications. Advantages are the processing speed of random file system is low, which ranges between sequential and index sequential file system. Second, in random file organization, the expensive resources are used, hence it is relatively expensive when compared with other file organization. Thank you so much student for watching video.